Welding 360 here. I'm making Mig Torch gun holders for my dad's MIG welder. I gotta drill a hole so I can weld a nut on it and then to make a bolt with a T on it so you can use it to clamp it down onto the bench. I gotta do that one too. And then also grind down the welds. So next clip will show the holes drilled out for each of them. Welding 360 here. I just got done drilling the holes out for the Mig Torch clamps. Now I gotta weld like a nut and bolt like this, and then weld the rod on top of the bolt so you can use it to tighten or loosen the clamp. So next clip will show that welded on. Both Mig Torch holders have the bolts and clamp welded onto them. Both have the slanted pieces of metal that can welded onto them too. Now it's all that's left to weld on them is the tube for the Mig Torch. And then clean them up with a wire wheel and clear coat them. And then they're all done. So next clip will show them all done and clamp down on the bench for demonstration. Welding 360 here. Here's a demonstration on how the Mig Torch holder works. I had the Mig Torch in the holder and I have the holders clamped down to the bench. They turned out very well and I like how they work. They function very good. You can make them any way you want, any height you want, any style you want. I just went simple. And so yeah, really like how they turned out. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Welding 360 out.